Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of quadratic functions. So in this problem, we are given this quadratic function f at x equals 2x squared plus 6x plus 2. And for this function, we have to answer these four questions. So let's start with the first one. Give the coordinates of the vertex. So we have to find the vertex for this quadratic function. So we know that the graph of a quadratic function is a parabola. So we have to find the vertex of the parabola. Now this equation is given to us in standard form. So the first step to find the vertex from standard form is to find the x coordinate of the vertex using this formula. So x equals minus b over 2a. B and a represent the coefficient of the terms in this equation in standard form. So a here is the coefficient of the x squared term, b is equal to the coefficient of the x term, and the number term is the c. But for this formula, we only need the b and the a values. So we sub in b as 6 over 2 times 2. Now we can reduce this fraction. So we get negative 6 over 4, which can be simplified to negative 3 over 2. So this is the x coordinate of the vertex. Now we'll have to find the y coordinate. So we'll sub in x as negative 3 over 2 in the given equation. So f at negative 3 over 2 is equal to 2 times negative 3 over 2 square plus 6 times negative 3 over 2 plus 2. So now we just have to simplify this expression. So in the first term, we do the square of negative 3 over 2, which is 9 over 4. Then we multiply 6 by negative 3 over 2, which will be equal to negative 9. Because 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, and negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. And then plus 2. Now we can simplify the first term. So 2 times 9 over 4 will be equal to 9 over 2. Because 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 over 4 can be reduced to 9 over 2. And now we can combine negative 9 and plus 2, which is equal to negative 7. And now we have to combine these two terms. So the denominator of 7 is 1. So the common denominator here will be 2. So we'll multiply the numerator and denominator of 7 over 1 by 2. So we get f at negative 3 over 2 equals 9 over 2 minus 14 over 2. So now we can continue here. So f at negative 3 over 2 is equal to, so now the fractions have the same denominator, so we can subtract the numerators, and 9 minus 14 is negative 5. So this is the y coordinate of the vertex, negative 5 over 2. So the vertex can be written in the point form as negative 3 over 2 comma negative 5 over 2. So this is the vertex of this parabola. Now we can answer the second part, the exact coordinates of the x-intercept. Now for x-intercept, we sub in the function value as 0 and solve for the x. So in this given equation, we sub in f at x equal to 0 and we write the rest of the equation. So now we have to solve this equation to find the value of x. So first we can rewrite this equation the other way. So we can also rewrite this as 2x squared plus 6x plus 2 equals 0. Now we can reduce this equation by factoring 2. So we get x squared plus 3x plus. Now we have to solve this equation, but we cannot factor this equation. So we'll have to use the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is, so minus b plus minus and then b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So now in this equation, b is 3, a is 1 and c is 1. So we'll sub in these values. So we get negative 3 plus minus and square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, because the coefficient of the x squared term is 1 and the number term is 1 over 2 times 1. And now we can simplify, so it becomes negative 3 plus minus square root of, so now 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4 over 2. So now we can do the calculation on this side. So now we'll subtract the numbers under the square root. So we get negative 3 plus minus square root of 5. We can break up this expression into the positive and negative cases. So we get x equals negative 3 plus square root of 5 over 2 and x equals negative 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. So the x-intercept can be written as ordered pairs, or they can be written as just these two values. So as ordered pairs, it will be negative 3 plus square root 5 over 2 comma 0, and the other x-intercept will be negative 3 minus square root of 5 over 2 comma 0. So now we have answered the second part. So now let's answer the third part. So give the equation of the axis of symmetry. Now the axis of symmetry is written as x equals the x coordinate of the vertex. And the vertex was found in the first part, and the x coordinate of the vertex is negative 3 over 2. So the equation of axis of symmetry is x equals negative 3 over 2. So this should be the final answer for the third question. Now we can state the range. Now range, as you know, is for y values. Now the given function represents a parabola that opens up because the a value of this parabola is positive. So if the a value is positive in the equation, that means the parabola opens upward. So that means the range can be written as, so we use the y coordinate of the vertex. So it's minus 5 over 2 comma infinity. So negative 5 over 2 lies on the parabola, so that's why it's included in the range. But for infinity, we always use the parentheses because infinity is not a specific value. So this represents the range using the interval notation because the parabola opened upwards. So this is the y coordinate of the vertex represents the minimum value. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.